Listen up, aspiring creatives, because today, we're diving into the forbidden world of potentially accessing Adobe Creative Cloud without paying for educational purposes only, of course. First, let's be crystal clear: obtaining Adobe software through unauthorized means is unethical and illegal. I am merely describing some methods people utilize, but it is not recommended for anyone, especially not you. Adobe software is a valuable tool for a significant segment of society and should be supported. Buying it supports creatives of all types. Understanding this is always important. Step 1. And again, please don't do this, is searching online. Many websites claim to offer cracked or torrented versions of Adobe software. I'm just saying what some people might search for. Be warned, these sites are often riddled with malware and viruses, potentially damaging your computer and stealing personal information. Step 2. Some might stumble upon file sharing sites. It should be said that some people look into these sites that allegedly host the software. Downloaded files from these sites could contain malicious software, which could steal your passwords or damage your computer. Step 3. If you could find the files needed, the installation process can be incredibly complicated, often requiring disabling security features on your computer, further increasing your vulnerability to threats. Installing compromised software often leads to unforeseen consequences. Step 4. Even if you somehow manage to install the software, it likely won't work correctly. Features might be limited, and you'll constantly encounter errors or crashes. Besides the technical issues, doing this is like stealing, and it's just wrong. Plain and simple. Don't utilize these methods. #ethical editing #support Adobe.